Hello everyone, welcome back.
Hi everyone, I'm Advait.
So today we are going to learn two new blocks and let's see what those blocks are going to be. So we'll start with my projects. We start a new project. So first let me tell you which two new blocks we are going to learn about. Okay, so when you go to this start category, here we have learned about this green flag. We have learned about this touch. Okay, start on touch. Now we are going to learn about these two blocks which are at the end. So first one is this one which says send orange start message. Okay, the other one is start on orange message. So one is to send the message and another one is to receive the message. Okay, so let's see how will that work. So first thing what we'll do is we'll change the background. So go to the backgrounds and we'll pick moon background. So today, do you know what are we going to do?
What?
We are going to launch a rocket. Okay, so we pick the moon and we have this background. Okay, now let's move the cat to the side and let's add another character. So to launch a rocket, we need a rocket.
Yeah.
Okay, so where is the rocket? Do you see a rocket somewhere?
No. Yeah, I found it.
Right here.
This one.
Last one. Okay,
Yeah.
so we pick the rocket.
Rocket.
Okay, now we have moon background, we have rocket, we have the cat. So first thing what we'll do is maybe cat is launching the rocket.
Yeah.
So cat will have to say the countdown. So first we'll select the cat and start our script with flag, green flag. Okay, and then we'll make the cat say something. So we'll add, maybe cat can do the countdown. So 3. Alright, another say block and that will be 2, and then another say block and that will be 1. Okay, so cat will say 3, 2, 1. But when cat is counting, we do not want our rocket to just run away, right?
Yeah.
So we need rocket to wait until cat is finished, and then rocket, how would rocket know when to launch? So for that we go to again this start section and we pick this send message block.
Wait, that's not the send message. This one.
Oh yeah, just this one. So we pick this send message block. One important thing here is if you tap on this arrow, it has 6 different colors. So we'll talk about it in a while, but let's just leave it as it is for now. Okay, so we have this script for cat. Now we go to rocket and we add the script for rocket. So what we'll do, instead of using the green flag, we will use this block.
This one.
Okay, and I'll explain in 1 second why. Start on orange message, and then after this what we'll do, we'll make the rocket move
Up.
maybe 5 steps,
5.
and then rocket should disappear. Right?
Yeah.
In the space. Okay, so that is our whole script. Let's first see how it works and then I'll explain what it is doing. Okay, so we go to presentation mode. I tap on the green flag. It says 3, 2, 1 and the rocket is gone. Okay, so what happened here? First let's go to the cat's script. So when you look at the cat script, all other blocks we already know, green flag, and then it says 3, 2, 1. And this send message block, what it does is it sends a message to other characters. Okay, and when you look at these colors, so whichever color is your send message, your receive message should also be the same.
The same color.
Okay, so that other character will know, okay, now once the character gets the same message, they will start their script. So cat is completing its work, and then what cat says, send the message. And when rocket gets the message, that's when it will start moving up and then disappear. Okay, so that is the use of send and receive message. And maybe if we want to add more characters, what we can do, we go to characters and maybe we'll pick couple of people. Okay, so let's pick few people and put them, maybe grandfather.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's add him. maybe put him here, and then we can change the size little bit, right?
We need it, I think, a little bit smaller.
Is this okay?
Yeah.
Alright, this much.
This
Now we'll add another character, maybe grandkids, right?
Yeah.
So we'll pick this one
Teen.
and we'll pick another one. So I'll add another character, this one.
This one, yeah.
Okay, so I'll put them here and I'll use
The shrink.
shrink block to make them a little bit smaller. Okay,
Shrink.
shrink block, and I made them small. Okay,
Small.
and we put all of them here. They are maybe watching the rocket launch.
Yeah.
Okay, now what we will do is, when we go to this cat script, you see that cat is sending orange message.
Yeah.
Okay, and when rocket is receiving orange message, it is moving up. At the same time, what we can do is, we can make these characters, say grandfather. Okay, we can make him start when he gets the same orange message.
Yeah.
Okay, so when cat is sending orange message, all characters which are receiving this message, they will run their script.
Yeah.
Right? So maybe we'll add a say here and we'll make them say what? Hooray. Okay,
Hooray.
so maybe that's all. Okay,
Yeah.
and we can take the same script and add to other characters.
Oops.
It did not copy the whole thing. Maybe let me remove this. Okay, and where is our other character? The boy. Oh yeah, right here. Okay, now this and this. Okay, so now all three of our characters have the same script. Okay, they will say hooray.
Hooray.
Got it?
Yeah.
So what will happen when you look at the script for the cat? It says 3, 2, 1 and then sends a message.
Yeah.
Okay, and then all other characters, they will start when they receive the message. And they all of them are receiving orange message.
Orange.
Okay, if you change the color here, this script will not work. You'll have to keep the color of send and receive as same. Okay, now when I tap on the green flag, 3, 2, 1, it says
Hooray.
hooray. Okay, so
Yeah.
that is how we use send message and receive message. Now there is another thing that we can do is, maybe we add another character and send a different color message. Okay, so how can we use that? Let's say shooting star. We add that star, put it somewhere, let's say here.
Yeah.
And then what we can do is, we go back to the cat, or maybe should we send the message from rocket? So after rocket is gone, we'll shoot the star. Okay, so what we can do is, after rocket disappears, we can send a message from here and we'll send a different color message. Okay, maybe we'll send red. Okay, and then what we can do, shooting star will start when it receives the message. So which message it should receive? Red. Okay, and when it receives the message, maybe we can make it move
10.
10?
Yeah, 10.
Okay, let's say 10 steps, and then it will disappear.
This 2 will disappear.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's see in the presentation mode. Now if I touch on the green flag, 3, 2, 1, a rocket launches and the star is shooting and it disappears.
It's like it's going into the earth.
Yep. Okay, so that's how we can use flags. So this is how you can design different characters to do different things, or maybe when one character does something, they can send a message to another character, and that character can do something and send message to third character. Right? So that's all for today. And remember, what's the best way to learn anything?
Practice, practice, practice.
Practice. Keep practicing, and we'll talk to you in the next video.
Bye. You can learn anything, and without.